name is Vivana Sangli and I'm from Infigon Futures. I'm a psychology associate.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Deepali Jadhav. I'm connected with education field from last 20 years. So I'm connected with education field. I'm teaching in B school as well as taking various offline workshops regarding personality development, how to crack interviews, and what is stress management for employees, then stress management for housewives, and all these things. So that time I get realized that when I connect with employees, I found that they are saying that we are facing stress because during their school days, during their college days, they are not getting proper guidelines how to select their career areas, as well as various women, housewives also, working women also. They are saying that it is become very difficult for them to connect with their children while they are taking education and all these things. And maximum these women are facing how to select career for their children and all these things. So that time, and also I found lot of lacunas when I get connect with these employees, that if they get proper guidelines, if they do introspections about their own strength, weaknesses while selecting job and all these things. So and I was searching proper guideline, proper pipeline platform. So how can I give them? Because I'm connected with, I said, teaching and training. Counseling is very different field. So from last 2 years, I'm really searching, but I not get proper that what we says mentor. For me, this your Infigon is really mentor for me, because when I this on Facebook, I saw this information regarding Infigon. Then I talked with your some faculties, or what we say, some members. Then yes, I spent what, or I waste my 6 months to be joined or not to be. Then one day I realized that yes, this is a proper platform, and I get attached with Infigon. Particularly, what happened. Actually, I want to give me my more information. I am world record India holder. My and now I'm trying for Guinness Book, and my this record is I have collected more than 4,000 women's information who entered in career field first time. Means first IPS Kiran Bedi from India, then first IPS from Maharashtra, first like that. First air hostess from India, and like that. I have a lot of collection regarding this woman. Another thing is that yes, yes, I'm also connected with radio media, that platform. I'm taking interviews of this various women also. I am yes, I'm means a writer in various Marathi newspaper, well known, that is Dainik Lok Satta and Sakal and all. So that time I realized that only writing is not sufficient. So these grown up children, they need role models in front of them, because nowadays during pandemic, after pandemic, they are more connected with this reels and all these social media and all these things. So I want to connect with them with this role models. So that motivate me. And when I started asking some questions to students who entered in our college, they are unaware about their own strength. What I previous at the beginning of this I told you. So I want to fill that gap, and I said that why not to play the role of change manager in society. Even though that is my contribution is small, but yes, it's okay for me, and that motivates me to become a counselor. Yes, Infigon is not only give us this training, but they are giving us online connectivity, then browser, then website, and it is a very nice service which is provided by this Infigon. And what one-to-one session this Infigon is providing, like the mentoring, the discussion about my problems or problems. Because at this age, or when one wants to start his own counseling business, he is facing so many problems. Only having certificate is not sufficient. That teamwork that every person knows, need, and the Infigon is providing it is very nicely, really. So due to that, all your services what you are giving us, and how politely you are listening our requirements, and time to time help you are giving. That is most important. I realize that, yes. It is tremendous valuable because training and teaching is another way. Counseling is really very different, because in teaching and training is just we are giving them guidelines and all. But in counseling, you must have empathetic nature and understanding. Then what we say, what is the requirement, how to open up the mindset of the students and their parents, and how to implement good qualities, how to remove the bad habits, or whatever they create the problems for their future development. So that all skills I get through this counseling program. And very nicely these sessions are really, the Lakshmi Bora ma'am and all this, they are really very legal, and they are very nicely giving me the platform, what information. Those theory I really don't know, but these things I received from this training program and this counseling. Yes, it is very nice. That brochure is very nice, because my I have taken Spirit Fort name, that it is very nicely given. The website feature is also. Yes, I am satisfied still. Regarding that meeting, miss what we says that meeting book करनी है, या जैसे वो for advertise point of view, develop connectivity with the needful persons, students as well as their parents. That feature I like that, because that is my need. मुझको मतलब इतना ये नहीं था कि कैसे मैं कनेक्ट हो जाऊंगी. Only what we say, launching website is not sufficient, but that feature is very helpful for me. Actually, I have divided this age group of these students in two groups. One is teenagers 13 to 18, for introducing the help of these role models, as well as career opportunities are available for them, and which qualities do you have, and how to what we say that reduce the gap, as well as this is the introductory for me to create awareness among this age group, as well as create awareness among their parents regarding their parenting style, how to change their parenting style, that. And then 19 to 20, that is a stability, then sustainability, suitability. So which career field you have selected, so how to launch yourself, how to do hard work. So I have divided my counseling in these two. One challenge is that various I found various parents are very rigid about the selection of their students for their children's career. They are saying that no, I want to make him doctor, I want to make him engineer and all. But yes, I am saying that apart from this field, there are so many fields which are suitable for your children. Yeah. So think about that. That one more challenge, to change their mindset. At the beginning, maximum parents meet me that I want to make him. So ma'am, please tell us that child is suitable for that field or not. That is means they are having very limited choice area in front of them. So that one more challenge. Another thing is that various time I found that some parents meet me 1-2 sessions they are doing, and then they are not play means they are not continuing because for them only selection okay. But apart from that, they need more what we say energy, more motivation. Then there are so many fluctuations. So they everywhere because ma'am, I'm master of Reiki, as well as I'm NLP trainer because for that I'm HR means a person. Actually, I have completed my PhD in HR. So these are required. So for me, that Reiki I want to incorporate it among them. But they are not giving that much feedback at the beginning. But when they found that when their child they get less marks, then they realize that no, more guidance they need. First thing is that try to understand your children SWOT analysis. Just try to understand his SWOT. What is his strength, weaknesses, why he is having that weakness, his habits, inculcate some atomic habits, make him focused on his future. Don't force him, but make him focus, because when we forced any person, he become very means what rigid, or he become very angry, or he says he don't want to develop himself under that control. But when he become focused now, then he become very liberal while learning new skills. So I want to change them from force to focus.
Yeah, that's a beautiful ideology that you have.
So at the beginning, I am giving my some lecture in group by using PPT of these all first woman or careerist, well-known person who those how they launch them career into success, like that. After then, I give them some time to write about their own demand from themselves. What is their vision? What is their career field which they want to select? Then I give them 10 minutes for 5 minutes for meditation, and then I started questioning one by one. Then I gave them Google form, or in what we say the form. Then I did that analysis whenever I give my this session at schools, colleges, and the end of every form I am giving some guidelines and all this. So I'm doing little bit more hard work while giving that session. Actually, now my area is very limited because where I am living, from that place, as well as from their references. But I think due to this Infigon, my span get more vast. So I'm waiting to enjoy that things. And online mode is very is encourageable for me. And I have some expectations from Infigon also, that still I need more guidelines from all of you, because I'm really familiar with offline platform, but this online is tremendous difficult for me sometimes.
So you can connect with your relationship manager in that case, and they will guide you. They will set up a meeting with you and guide you throughout the entire process.
Yes, I have recommended. Now our that exams are going on. After that, my friends are also want to join that, because really those who are connected with teaching field, they need energy, and we get energy from our these students. You all are the youngsters are energy source for us. So they are so like that, and I have told them all the good features, glittery features, I said, of Infigon.
Okay. So thank you so much. That's all the questions I have. Do you have anything else you would like to add?
It's sufficient.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
So
nice.
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
so much.